Imagine living where the ground beneath your feet holds a fiery secret. Welcome to the world of volcanoes, a stunning yet dangerous spectacle of nature. Talk about a hot property. Volcanoes aren't just about destruction, they create unique ecosystems, fertile lands, and mesmerizing landscapes. Truly nature's artwork. For some, living near a volcano is an everyday reality. With risks come benefits like rich soil for farming. It's a high-stakes trade-off. The flip side, unpredictable eruptions, air pollution, and the constant threat of lava flows. It's not just about having a hot view. These communities aren't just sitting ducks. They're equipped with early warning systems and evacuation plans. Safety first, even if your neighbor is a volcano. Thanks to science, monitoring volcanoes has become more accurate, helping save lives. Because nobody wants a surprise lava party in their backyard. Volcanoes, a blend of beauty and danger, a reminder of Earth's fiery power. Living with them, a testament to human resilience and adaptability. Until next time, stay curious and safe.